Embodiment, a meditation. Take a few deep breaths. See what parts are present. Scan your body for places of tension, achiness, congestion, stiffness, or pressure. Often, this is what we would call trailheads. You can also scan your mind for agitated thoughts or emotions. Look for any inventory of who is there right now. As you notice a trailhead or part, focus on it in that place in your body or mind. The goal of this meditation isn't to get to know it, but to let it know it's not alone. As you focus on it, let it know you're there with it. If it's possible in a sincere way, let it know that you care about it, even if it's a part that gets in your way in life. You can do that by giving it some comforting words or extending a loving energy to it or around it. You can even breathe into the part. Do one or all of these things until the part seems to relax. If it does relax, you'll notice a shift in your body or mind in the direction of more space. If it doesn't relax, that's okay. It just needs more attention from you at another time. We never force anything. For now, you can let it know you understand, and you'll return to it when you have more time, and you can move on to a different part. If it does relax and you feel that increase in spaciousness, then move on to another part, extend loving energy to it or a comforting word, helping each of these parts to know that they are not alone. You are with them and they can trust you. They can trust you to be in your body. As they relax and you enjoy more spaciousness, you might notice a kind of energy flowing in that space, in and around your body. You can shift your attention between the energy as it flows back and forth from yourself to the part, bringing more of that self-energy to the part. Notice the vibratory quality of the energy or the sense of well-being that comes with it, the sense of faith and calm. You can now begin to shift your focus back to the outside world. See if it's possible to hold the spaciousness and awareness even as you begin that shift. With practice, it is possible to be in this state even when you focus outside and interact with other people. Eventually, your parts will grow to trust you to lead them in this way. When the time feels right, come back to the present self and go about your day.